How to integrate Cardinity into easy digital downloads. Log into your WordPress admin panel. Navigate to Plugins, Add New. Search for Cardinity for easy digital downloads. Press Install Now, and then activate. You can also install the Cardinity extension by downloading it from the link in the description, uploading it with the Upload plugin button and installing it. Next is Configuration. Navigate to Downloads, Settings. Go to Payment Gateways tab. Activate Cardinity Gateway in Payment Gateway section. Click Save Changes. Click on Cardinity Gateway. Enter your API key and API secret, which can be found at your Cardinity account. Click Save Changes to finish the installation. If you have any questions regarding the integration, contact us by phone, email, or via our website.